Good morning, girls. Today I'm going to complete this chapter number 6, last two topics. Algebraic sentences. You have done quadratic formula before, quadratic equations, and quadratic equation means that when the highest power in the expression is 2, it is known as quadratic equation. You have done the method quadratic formula. Okay, so there are two more methods which we are going to do today. With the help of them you can solve the quadratic equations. Okay, if it is not mentioned which method to apply, you can apply any of these. Okay, first method here is it's by factorization. You have already done factorization, so you all know how to solve the question by factorization. uh, so in this one you will break the middle term. Okay, when the question is given, you will break the middle term and solve it and find the value. Okay, again you are going to find the solution set. Now the method is factorization, so you will write the expression in standard form. Okay, write the expression in standard form. What is the standard form? Standard form, you have already done this standard form when you did quadratic formula. It is a x square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So in this form you have to write the expression. If it is not in order, you will write it in this form. Okay, then next step is to factorize. Okay, by breaking the middle term, breaking the middle term. So these two steps you have to remember when you are applying this method, factorization method. Write the expression in standard form and then you have to solve the question. Okay, so let me write the question now. Question is to find the solution set of x square. It is in your book. Okay, example is in your book, so let me write the example. Find the solution set of x square minus 7x minus 18 equals to 0. Okay, you have to find the solution set of this expression. First step, again you have to check if the question is in standard form or not. If it is already in standard form, then you can directly find the solution set. Okay, break the middle term and find the solution set. So let me write the expression. X square minus 7x minus 18 equals to 0. This type of question comes in the MCQs also, to find the solution set, or in the short also they can give. Okay, so you all should know you have to do it for the MCQs as well as for the short questions. Now how you break the middle term? X square, highest power you can see is square, that's why it is known as quadratic equation. X square minus 7x minus 18, so you will make factors of 18. There is no coefficient given with the first term, so you can make factors of 18. So factors of 18 are 9 into 2 is 18. Okay, and when you subtract these two, you will get the middle term. So two factors are 9 and 2. So instead of 7x, x square minus, you will write 9 minus 2x minus 18 equals to 0. Okay, so two factors are 9 and 2. 18 means 9 into 2 is 18, and 9 minus 2 will give you the middle term 7. Okay, now x square, open the bracket, minus 9 into x, 9x, minus into minus is plus, 2 into x is 2x, minus 18 equals to 0. Now you all know how to solve it. Common from first two, x is common, x minus 9 remaining terms, plus common from these two, 2 is common, remaining terms are x minus 9 equals to 0. Common brackets first, so common bracket is x minus 9 and remaining in the second bracket x plus 2 equals to 0. Till here you all know how to solve it. Okay, now the next step were how to find the value of x. So you can see both brackets equals to 0, so we will take one bracket at a time. X minus 9 equals to 0. First solve this and then solve the second bracket. X plus 2 equals to 0. So you will get two answers, two values of x, and that will be the solution set. Minus 9 shift after equals to sign, so x equals to 0 plus 9 is 9. This is the first value. Same you'll do here, plus 2 will go that side, it will change into 0 minus 2 is minus 2. When you write solution set, I told you that always write the minus value first, small value first. So small value is minus 2 and then 9, only in curly bracket because only value of x is given. So in curly brackets you will write the solution set. So this is the answer. It's easy, it's simple. If you know how to break the middle term, you can easily solve this by factorization. Okay, very simple it is. Now I'll give you one more example, okay, so that you can easily do the exercise. Okay, another example, one more example. Okay, now example number 2, this is also in your book. You have to find the solution set of 6x square plus 12 equals to 17x. Now first step is to check if it is in order or not. So you can see it is not in order, it's not in standard form, so we will rearrange. Okay, rearrange. So this will become 6x square, 17x you have to bring it here, so plus will change into minus 17x plus 12 and equals to 0. Now you can break the middle term. You can see there is coefficient given with the first term 6. 6 into 12. First you'll multiply these two. 6 into 12 is 72. You will make the factors of 72. So two factors are 9 into 8 is 72 and 9 plus 8 is 17. Okay, 9 plus 8 is 17. So two factors are 9 and 8. So break the middle term. 6x square minus 9 plus 8 x outside plus 12 equals to 0. So open the bracket. 6x square minus 9 into x, 9x, minus into plus minus 8x plus 12 equals to 0. Common from first two terms, you can see that 3 and x is also common. So 3 into 2 is x, 2, 1x will come, minus 3 into 3 is 9 and x is common. Then common from these two, minus, you can see 4 into 2 is 8, 4 into 3 is 12. So 4 is common, 4 into 2 is 8, x, minus is outside, so this will change into minus, 4 into 3 is 12 equals to 0. These two brackets are same, it means your factors are correct. Write the common bracket first. 2x minus 3 remaining 3x minus 4 equals to 0. Now you can solve the brackets one by one. 2x minus 3 equals to 0, and then the second bracket 3x minus 4 equals to 0. Okay, so 2x equals to, shift 3 that side, 0 plus 3 is 3, 2 is multiplying that side, you'll divide, so x equals to 3 by 2. This is the one value. 3x equals to 0 plus 4 is 4, and 3 will go that side, so 4 divided by 3. This is the next value. Now you have to write the solution set. So write the small value first, 3 by 2, and then 4 by 3. So this is the answer. I hope you have understood these two examples. These are very simple examples of factorization method, breaking the middle term. Okay, quadratic equation, solve it by breaking the middle term. This method for by factorization is from this one. Okay, you have to do the exercise. For this one you'll do 6.6. Okay, 1 till 8 you have to just arrange the expression, write it in standard form, that you can do it in your textbook, and the remaining questions 9 till 16 you will do it in your exercise books. Okay, so this you have to solve it 9 till 16. Same way, just write it in standard form. If there is any bracket given, you have to solve the bracket, write the expression in standard form, and then break the middle term. Anything you don't understand, just let me know. Okay, this is the first method. Now I'm going to explain you the second method also. Second method is by completing this square. Okay, so first is very simple, by factorization. Second is by completing the square, and the last third one you have already done it by quadratic formula. Okay, let's do the second method by completing the square. Okay, now this second method by completing the square, this is the last topic of this chapter, by completing the square. Okay, so there are a few steps which you have to remember it, then you can easily apply this method. And it depends which method you want to apply if it is not mentioned in the question. Okay, again the first thing is you have to write the expression in standard form. Okay, write the expression in standard form. This is the first step in both, but not in both but in all three. Okay, factorization, completing the square, and quadratic formula, to write the expression in standard form. And then after writing in standard form, you have to shift the constant term, after equals to sign. Okay, shift the constant term after equals to sign. Okay, shift the constant term after equals to sign, and then after shifting the constant term after equals to sign, you have to divide the first term by the coefficient of x square. Okay, divide the first term by the coefficient, short form it is. Okay, coefficient of x square, if the coefficient is given. Okay, if the coefficient is not 1, suppose it is 5x square or 6x square or any other number with x square, then you will divide the term, whole expression, by the coefficient of x square, not only the first term, all the terms. Okay, divide all the terms, divide all the terms. Okay, divide all the terms by the coefficient of x square. Okay, then after dividing it, if the coefficient is given, if the coefficient is not given, then you can directly move on to this step. What we will do, we will add 1 upon 2 multiplied by coefficient of x. Okay, and then square it to both sides. Okay, this you have to remember, this is the main thing. This we will do, and we will add this to both sides. Okay, after doing this, write left hand side as square and simplify. Then take square root and solve. Okay, take square root, last step, square root and solve. Okay, after square root, then you will solve it further. Okay, so these are the few steps which you have to keep it in mind before solving it. Okay, now I'll give you the example so that you can understand how we will apply all these steps. Okay, now let me write the example. Example is again from your book. Okay, now example number 1 from your book. Find the solution set. Okay, find the solution set of x square minus 6x equals to 7. Okay, now the first step is to check if the question is in standard form or not. Okay, now we will see that the question is already in standard form, and the constant is already after equals to sign. So this is what you have to do in every question. You have to shift the constant term after equals to sign. Okay, now what we'll do, there is no coefficient with the first term, so we will skip this step. Okay, we will skip this step. Now we'll move on to this. You have to add half into coefficient of x the whole square, both sides. Okay, so we will add now x square minus 6x. Add means plus. What you have to add, 1 upon 2 multiplied by coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is minus 6. So like this, and then whole square. So this only you have to remember, half multiplied by coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is minus 6, minus sign also you will write, and the whole square. And this you have to add both sides. So equals to 7 plus, you will add again the same thing, half multiplied by coefficient of x and the whole square. Now solve it. X square minus 6x plus, you can simplify, 2 ones are 2 threes are, so minus 3 and square on it equals to 7 plus, this also same way, simplify, so minus 3 is remaining, the whole square. So x square minus 6x, square of minus is plus, square of 3 is 9, plus 9, so plus 9 equals to 7. Again square of minus is plus and square of 3 is 9, 7 plus 9. Then this is x square minus 6x plus 9 equals to 16. Now we will apply the formula here on the left hand side. A square minus 2ab plus b square equals to a minus b the whole square. So according to the formula, x the whole square minus 2 into x into 3 plus root of 9 is 3 the whole square equals to 16. Okay, so we have changed this into formula form: a square minus, this is 2ab plus b square. So root of x square is x the whole square, root of 9 is 3 the whole square, so and this is 2ab. Okay, and this whole thing is equals to a minus b the whole square. A minus b means a is x minus b is 3 the whole square equals to 16. Okay, x minus 3 the whole square equals to 16. Now we will take, now next step according to this those points, take square root. Take square root on both sides. Okay, so you will take square root on both sides. So under root x minus 3 the whole square equals to, when you take root here you will write both plus and minus sign, 16. So root will get cancelled. X minus 3 equals to plus minus root of 16 is 4. Now you solve it further. First with plus sign, x minus 3 equals to plus 4, and then x minus 3 equals to minus 4. X will remain here, minus 3 will go that side, so 4 plus 3, x equals to 7. This is the value of x, and find from here x equals to minus 4, and minus 3 will go that side, it will change into plus 3. So x equals to minus 1, second value. So the solution set you will write, on the solution set you will write the small value first. Solution set is equals to minus 1 and 7. So this is the answer. Okay, little lengthy it is, only you have to follow the steps. If you follow the steps you can easily solve it. Okay, let me give you one more example of it. Okay, now the second example is also from your book. Find the solution set of 2x squared plus 7x plus 4 equals to 0. Now question is in standard form, and then the second step is to shift the constant term after equals to sign. So this we will do. Okay, so question I'll write 2x squared plus 7x plus 4 equals to 0. Okay, this is the question, and shift constant term after equals to sign. So 2x squared plus 7x equals to minus 4. We have shifted constant term after equals to sign. Now in this question there is a coefficient with the first term. So when the coefficient is given, what we do, we divide the whole expression by 2. Okay, so divide all the terms by 2. Okay, why 2? Because coefficient of x square is 2. So divide all by 2. 2x square divided by 2 plus 7x divided by 2 equals to minus 4 divided by 2. So you will get 2 and 2 cancelled, x square plus 7 upon 2x equals to, simplified, 2 2s are minus 2. Now after dividing it, we will move on to the next step. You will add half into coefficient of x the whole square, both sides. X square plus 7 by 2x plus, so you will add half into coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is 7 upon 2. 7 upon 2 and then the whole square equals to minus 2 is already there, and add half into coefficient of x 7 upon 2 the whole square. Okay, only this part you have to remember what to add. Okay, let's solve now. X square plus 7 upon 2x plus multiply 1 into 7 is 7 divided by 2 into 2 is 4 and the whole square equals to minus 2 plus again 7 ones are 7 divided by 2 twos are 4 the whole square. This now will become x square plus 7 upon 2x plus 49. Square of 7 is 49 divided by square of 4 is 16 equals to minus 2 plus again square it 49 divided by 16. Okay. Now you will solve this part. LCM you will take 16 because there is plus sign between them, so you cannot directly add. You have to take out LCM, which is 16. It is understood it is minus 2 divided by 1. 1 into 16 is 16 and 16 into minus 2 is minus 32 plus 16 ones are, so 1 into 49. So you will get x square plus 7 upon 2 x plus 49 upon 16 equals to 17 upon 16. Okay. Now again we will apply the formula. You know that a square plus 2ab plus b square equals to a plus b the whole square on the left hand side. Okay, so according to the formula, x whole square plus 2 into a and into b is 7 upon 4 plus root of this is 7 upon 4 the whole square equals to 17 upon 16. So this whole is equals to a plus b the whole square means x plus 7 upon 4 a plus b the whole square equals to 17 upon 16. Okay, we have applied the formula. Now after this what we do, we'll take the square root. Okay, so take square root. So under root x plus 7 upon 4 the whole square under root equals to plus minus under root 17 upon 16. So root and this cancel. X plus 7 by 4 equals to plus minus root 17 upon root of 16 is 4. Okay, now you will solve it with plus and minus signs. X plus 7 upon 4 equals to under root 17 by 4 and x plus 7 by 4 equals to minus root 17 by 4. With plus sign we'll solve. So x equals to plus 7 by 4 will go after equals to sign. So this will become 17 upon 4 minus 7 upon 4. Denominator is same. So x equals to 4 is the LCM, under root 17 minus 7. You cannot subtract, so this is the value of x. Here also you'll do the same. X will remain here. Shift 7 by 4 that side. So minus root 17 by 4 minus 7 by 4. So again you'll take LCM. So x equals to LCM is 4. So minus root 17. When LCM is same, you can directly write minus 17 minus 7. This is the second value. So the solution set answer, you cannot solve it further. The solution set is under root 17 minus 7 divided by 4 and minus under root 17 minus 7 divided by 4. So this is the answer. Little lengthy it is, just go step by step. Okay, this is not very important, but you all should know how to solve it by completing this square. Okay, so try to do the exercise also, few questions from the exercise, so that you can understand how to find the value. So exercise which you are going to do is exercise 6.7. okay, so your homework, exercise 6.7, and questions are 1 till 12. Okay, try to solve these questions. Okay, I hope you have understood this. So we have completed this chapter also, sixth chapter. Now almost all the topics we have completed. Anything you guys have not understood, anything you want to ask, just message me, let me know. Any question you want to ask, just message me your question, and then I will explain it to you. Okay, take care girls, bye.